Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the mostly used function in Microsoft Excel, the if function. So stick around. So today we are going to learn the if function in Microsoft Excel. If function is basically the most important logical function in Microsoft Excel. If function logically compares certain value and give you the result. Like we have the names, we have the results, and we need the status. Now we need to write here, so now we need to give command to the Excel that if the value in the result is less than 40, write fail in the status. Or if the value is more than 40, write pass in the status. So basically you are asking Excel to give you certain value if the logical test is true or the logical test is false. In order to understand this, we need to go through the parameters, the conditions, or let's say the arguments of this function. It has three arguments. Number one is logical test. As I already told you that it do a logical comparison. Number two is value if the logical test is true. And number three is value if the logical test is false. Sorry for the spellings, false. So let's see how it works. Now press equal sign, write if, write the first argument, the logical test, which is if the result is greater than 40, right? This is the first argument, the logical test. If the result is more than 40, now write the second argument, which is value if true. So if this logical test is true, if the result is more than 40, then write pass. Okay. Now the third argument. In case the logical test is false, in case this value is less than 40, then what you need? You can leave it a blank, or you can write fail, close the parenthesis, press enter. Now you see, in this case the value is true, so it is written here pass. The value is true because it is more than 40. So drag down the formula, double click here. Now you see, for all the values which are more than 40, the formula has returned to pass, and the values which are less than 40, it has written fail. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share if you like the video.